Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing 454, Advertising and Promotion. This is chapter 15. In this chapter 15, let's talk about the internet, advertising and promotion. Advertising promotion on the internet, digital and social media. Okay, these are the learning objectives. Okay, you can pause here and read it through. Okay, make sure you that you grasp everything, every aspect we will cover in this chapter. Okay, the growth of the internet. Yeah, why is there a rapid adoption of the internet? Okay. From consumers' perspective, there is an increased desire for information. We want more information. Consumers want more information. And then second one is that the internet provides speed and convenience, as you can see, right? You don't have to go to the library to look at the periodicals or indexes or newspapers, magazines. You can just open your computer, open your laptop, even maybe your cell phone. Can easily find the information you need. So it's very speedy, very convenient. Also, you have the ability to control the flow of information being received. Okay, it's your own self-paced, media. Okay, you have the ability to conduct e-commerce. Consumers can do e-commerce as well. Okay, from advertisers' perspective, the internet affords them with the ability to target customers effectively with the internet. And there is increased accountability of businesses, more direct feedback on value of marketing efforts. And also the internet is actually, is interactive. There's a two-way flow of information. Okay? So that's the reason for the rapid adoption of the internet. Okay. Here you can see the digital advertising spending grows by industry, up to 2022. Okay? The growth rate, the highest growth we can see is in retailing, 23.5% in the advertising spending growth in advertising spending. Okay? Travel 22%, telecom 21%, entertainment 19%, financial services 18%, consumer packaged goods or CPG or consumer goods 15%, health and pharmaceuticals 14%, computing products, consumer electronics 13%, media 12%, automobiles 10%, 11%, and others 16%. The overall total is about 17.8% increase in advertising spending, by industries in 2022. You can see the the trend in growing. So how do marketers use the internet? Marketers' use of internet includes source of information. They use this internet as a source of information. They use social media engagement with the consumers, right? They use internet for content marketing their contents, okay? And they go after your cell phones, mobile marketing, right? And the internet or the online internet big tech companies provide analytics so they can do the analysis of their segments, sales, trends, and everything, right? There is omni-channel marketing retailing, okay? Many channels and conducting e-commerce, and there's a platform of advertising. So that's how marketers use the internet. I'm sure you're all quite familiar with that. Okay? And also the internet is a hybrid medium. It's a hybrid medium. It's a medium combined with the many tools combined, integrated, right? It is a communications medium for sure, right? It's also a direct response medium. Right? Direct response medium. It also can build image, brand image, and develop direct relationship with consumers through social media. So it's a hybrid medium, okay, the internet. Here is the new framework for digital marketing, right? For digital marketing. Yeah. The first step is this outbound, right? Internet, digital marketing. There is a way for firms to reach out to target consumers, right? And then there's inbound. It provides ways for marketers to ensure they can be found when consumers search for products or service. They can find the company, find businesses. Yeah. And the third way is the social media. Internet provides a social media platform where consumers create content to influence others, okay? Each other. Okay? Also, it affords mobile technology. Number 4, mobile technology, activity done on smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Okay, so that's how digital marketing can be carried out. Okay? Also, the internet can create awareness. Okay? You can achieve the objective of creating awareness. You can generate interest about your product, your company, and you can disseminate information. This is one by the picture here is by the sweetbling.com, the company. Thanks to the opportunities offered by the web, it's a new startup company, the sweetbling.com, was able to almost immediately gain worldwide exposure for their line of jewelry at a reasonable cost. Okay? Very soon, very quickly, they can gain worldwide exposure. Yeah. Also, the internet, the growth of internet enabled companies to create an image, company image, business image, and create a strong brand name, right? It can stimulate trial of your product or service. It can create a buzz, right? Create a buzz. So the information, discussions about your company product can be spread all over the world, over the internet very quickly. Right? It can also gain consideration. Right? This is the example of a magazine called the WD Travel. I guess it's a wine, dine, travel magazine. Okay? This internet website is an excellent example of a website used for image building. Okay? This WD Travel is designed to appeal to upscale travelers looking for destinations and accommodations that reflect their lifestyles. Yeah, this one here, this is a special issue here. Summer 2022 is discovering Madrid, right? Showing you what to see, where to dine, where to stay, in the city of Spain, in Spain. Okay. Actually, I was just in Spain last summer, in Barcelona and Barcelona. There's another one. There's another one. There's also a couple islands off the coast of Spain. It was quite fascinating place. Okay. E-commerce. Okay. You can conduct e-commerce on the internet. Okay. You can direct selling of goods and services through the internet. Okay. You can sales continue to grow at a steady pace over the internet. eBay is one of the most popular and successful. Okay. Many companies maintain storefront and sell online. They have both channels. They maintain both channels, right? Brick and mortar and online. Okay. Also, advertising on the internet, you can use banners, right? Banner ads, right? You can use use the banner ads to create awareness or recognition, okay, recognition, and enter consumers into contests and sweepstakes, okay, fulfill direct marketing objectives. Okay. You can establish a sponsorship, right? Regular sponsorship. You pay to sponsor a section of a site. Okay, you have a site, you can sponsor that. Or you can do a content sponsorship. You know, as a sponsor, you provide money in return for name association and participates in providing content. As a content sponsor. Okay? This is the example of a banner ads come in that can come in a variety of formats. In this templates, okay, in this templates, okay, can horizontal, vertical, different sizes, different positions. You know, you can choose. Right, these are all banner ads template. Also, advertising on the internet, you can have pop-ups and pop-unders. Pop-ups and pop-unders. Okay, this is going to be in your test. Okay, what is pop-up ads? Pop-up ads appear when accessing certain sites. When you click on or type in the URL, you go into a certain website, the ad, a banner ad or whatever, it will pop up, appears, right? You can see that. What's pop under them? Pop unders ads are the ones that appear underneath the web page and become visible when the user leaves the site. When you leave the site or you close the browser, you see the ad, you know, under that. That's why it's called pop unders. Okay? And then there is interstitials. Interstitials, a different kind of internet ad. These are the ads that appear on screen while waiting for site's content to download. When you download the site's content, and you see this kind of ads, you know, interstitials emerging. Okay, pop-ups, pop-unders, interstitials. Okay? Searches. Internet, I'm sure you're familiar with that. Internet searches become a very, very powerful tool in advertising. Okay, the higher a site appears on the search page, the more visitors it will receive. Right, the higher a site appears on the search page. When you search for something, okay, you use Google search, your Bing search, whatever search engine you use, and then you come up with whatever keyword you put in, and the computer will return with hundreds, thousands, if not millions of pages there, right? And with that, in most cases, we probably get our problem solved with the first two pages, maybe first page, or maybe first half page on top of the first page. So the higher where you are, where your company appears on the site, on the search result, determines whether you will get attention of the person, the consumer looking for something. Okay, so you want to appear high on the page. Okay. So you can get more visitors. Yeah. Organic search results. What's organic search result? Organic search results appear due to their relevance to search terms. Okay? You search for something. You want to see, hey, I want to find some home appliances, right? Washer and dryers, for example, dishwashers. And then the relevant ones come up, right? That's organic search results. There are also non-organic search results or paid search results. That's placing ads on web pages that display results from search engine queries. Okay, of course, you know those merchandisers, businesses, sellers, retailers. They pay for that click. That's why it's called a pay per click. Right? Every time you click on that, it's non-organic or paid search result, and the advertiser will pay the search engine company, you know, some money. Okay, maybe a few cents, a few pennies, to maybe a few dimes. Okay, Search engine optimization. This is going to be your test. Make sure you understand CEO. What is that? I'm sorry, SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. It is improving the volume of traffic to a site from search engine through unpaid results. So you need to do something about your site, so to increase your chance to be seen. Improve the volume of traffic to your site through unpaid results. Okay, paid results, of course, you can get it. Right? So this involves owned media, your own media, your own site, and paid media, whatever you pay them, and earned media because of your reputation, because of your SEO, and because of your efforts in online advertising. Okay. Behavior targeting. Advertising on the internet enables advertisers to engage in behavior targeting, right? You can, based on your advertisers targeting consumers by tracking their website surfing behaviors. You can track the consumers, the surfing behaviors. Which site did they visit, right? How long did they stay on each site? Which section, which part of the site did they look at, etc. Everything, your surfing behavior is recorded. Okay? And retargeting. And what is retargeting? The ads will follow a website user and are displayed on every participating subsequent websites the user visits. You understand what I'm talking about here? Okay? So you visit a website, right? You look for something. Okay, and so you're trying to find something, right? But then after you leave the website, the subsequent website you visit, and the advertisers can still track you and send us that advertising to you. Quite amazing, huh? It's kind of a little intimidating. So that's retargeting, called retargeting. Ads follow a website user, follows you. Okay, and follow you, and that displayed on every participating subsequent websites that you visit. Okay, and brands, of course, the brands place bids to purchase ad space. Okay. Those ad space is valuable. Search engine companies, they actually sell those by inviting brands to bid for them. Whoever pay the highest will get the slot. Okay. So this is the process of retargeting. Okay, so the advertisers attempt to reach internet users who have seen an ad through this process of retargeting. Okay, first, for example, you are the internet user. Okay, and then the internet user visits your site, your company website. Okay, and then she leaves your website. Okay. And then your retargeting ad is here, okay? Later, as they browse the internet, your ad will actually display on other sites, other websites. So your number 5, stage 5, your retargeting ad captures their interest, right? They saw it, right? And then the internet user converts into a loyal customer. That's stage 6. So advertising to internet users who have viewed the product or service online, but left before buying by purchasing ad space on other websites. Okay, it's quite amazing. Okay? Retargeting, you call it retargeting. Also, you can have contextual ads. Okay? You can place contextual ads on the internet. What are contextual ads? These ads are the one determined by the content of the web page. Right? The ads is relevant, related somewhat to the content of the web page. Okay? There's also a term called native advertising. That is when advertiser gains attention by providing valuable content in context of user's experience. Okay, and the goal here is to be less intrusive because you are that's something, they're providing valuable content in your context, in your experience, in the context of your experience. So it's not that intrusive. That's why it's called native advertising. Native advertising. Internet, as I said, is considered rich media. It's a rich media. It's interactive digital media that exhibits dynamic motion. Okay, it has the characteristic of both the print and broadcast media that we talked about in previous chapters. Okay, you can have online commercials. There's advertisements that appear on the internet. Online commercials. You can have pre-rolls. That those are the commercials that appear before the content the user is seeking. Okay, before, and there's a post rolls. Those are ads that run after the content is viewed. Okay, and also there is a video on demand. VOD. That's video clips of entertainment activities, also available on the internet. You can place ads in there. Okay, there could be webisode. That's a short featured films created by advertisers and others. Okay, so it's very rich media. Okay, and also we are in the stage of Web 2.0 or maybe into Web 3.0 soon. Right? Web 2.0 has developed many new media format and type. Okay? One is one that you're very familiar with, social media. Social media is electronic communication through which people create online communities to share information, ideas, personal messages, etc. Okay? Social networking sites are the platforms for networks or social relations. Okay? And they allow people to share interests, activities, backgrounds, or real-life connections, professional or social. I'm sure you all using many of the social media. I use a lot of them. I encourage you to follow me on my social media. I have Facebook, I have Twitter, X, I have LinkedIn. I think I had an Instagram, but I haven't used that for too much, right? All right, so follow me, I'll follow you, so we become friends on social media. Okay. Here are the types of new media. I'm sure most of you are familiar with those. Okay. The first type is the forums and chat rooms. Online forums and online chat rooms. The purpose here there is to have a discussion on topics, interest groups, sharing of information. Right? The material there is the forums, discussion boards, and the example of that is the automobile forums. Right? I have a car. I have two cars. I actually joined a couple forums on Facebook. Okay, emails, sending of electronic mail with file attachments. Okay, it's web-based and non-web-based email platforms. Okay, like Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo, and Yahoo Mail, etc. Okay, social networking sites. Right. It's peer networking with each other. Use fan sites, alumni networks, personal news updates like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Twitter is now X, of course. There are also content aggregators. They just gather all the contents. Hosting of content for information and for entertainment. Okay? I have your slide. I have my lecture on YouTube and also on Ganjin World. These are just content aggregators. Okay, hosting a lot of contents for information, entertainment, education. Okay, they're informative content. They have informative content, podcasts, videos, and channels like YouTube and Hulu. Okay? Virtual reality, 3D experience. alternate space, simulated environments, experience like a Lowe's, Hollow Room, and How To. I haven't visited that, so I'm sure maybe some of you are more familiar with that. Okay. There's online gaming. Okay. The alternate fantasy entertainment gaming. They use MMORPG, massively multiplayer online role-playing games, multiplayer online games. I haven't played that much, but I heard lots of people are playing that, like World of Warcraft, StarCraft 2. Right? There are also blogs on the internet, where you can share opinions, information, viewpoints. Okay? They have help desk, viewpoints, opinions, right? Like HubSpot.com. Right? There are also portals that aggregating news, communication tools. They provide news studies, sponsored pages, and ads, like Asian1.com, Yahoo. Okay? Social news sites, peer-ranked news stories, provide news stories, popular blog content like dig.com, reddit.com. Okay. There's also the augmented reality. Augmented reality is the interactive experience of a real-world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer-generated perceptual information. Okay. They use multiple sensory modalities like Pokemon Go or Harry Potter. Okay. Augmented reality. Okay. There is the global social media users are growing. You can see the growth rate. Number of global social media users continue to grow, and in the billions and billions now. In 2017, there are less than 3 billion people using social media. Nowadays, it's over 5 billion, approaching 6 billion. You know how many people are there in the world, right? We have about 7.5 billion people. So you can see there's a lot of people are using that now. Okay. And IMC using social media, not media. Who uses social media and why? Okay? Why do people use social media? Yeah. People use social media because they want to gain information. That's their motivation for using social media. Gain information, find entertainment, find remuneration. That's find the way to make payment. And also, who is using social media? Especially appealing to those between the ages of 18 and 29, and some specific to women. Okay, seem to be women are more interested, and especially for people aged 18 to 29. Okay, I guess a lot of many of you guys are in that category. Okay? Also, how about the marketers? How do marketers use social media? They use social media to drive traffic to the marketer's website. Okay, they use social media to communicate with customers. Okay? They use that also to gain brand exposure. That's the marketers' use of that. Okay. What about consumers' use of social networks? Right, like for example, social media networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. People use that to connect with others. And media sharing social media networks like Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. People use that to share photos, videos, live videos, etc. Right? There's discussion forum social media like Reddit, Quora, and Dig. They share. People use that to share and discuss news, opinions, etc. Yeah. Their content curation like Pinterest and Flipboard. People use that to share and discuss news, trends, and content. Consumer review like Yelp, okay? Yelp, TripAdvisor, and CNET. Okay? Consumers use that to review and share information about the brands, products, services, etc. Right? And there are blogging and publishing social media networks like Tumblr, Medium. We use that to discover, comment, and publish. The social shopping networks like Ch15, okay, we use to find and share trends, follow brand, etc. Right? There's the interest-based like Goodreads, Last, share interest, hobbies, and the sharing economy social media networks like Uber, Lyft, Airbnb. Okay, are you using that? Okay. Use Uber, Lyft instead of taxi, which they are actually cheaper than taxi driver, taxi cabs. Airbnb use that in lieu of hotels. Sometimes they're cheaper, right? I found that not always. Right? Sometimes the hotels online they can offer lots of discounts. Okay? Facebook. Let's look at a few of these the social media networks. Okay? Facebook is the largest of all social networks, 2.1 billion subscribers worldwide. It's most widely used social platform in 2022. Okay, but it has controversy. There is controversy over the privacy issues. Okay, companies post information about products, promotions, events. Advertisers target subsets of Facebook users because Facebook covers everybody. They want to find a certain segment, a certain subset based on demographic and geographic data and interests and activities. It's Facebook offering new marketing tools, including virtual reality. Okay, for virtual reality, that's Facebook. Okay, this one is Facebook has become a must-have medium for many marketers. Banana Republic is one company that uses Facebook ads very effectively, like this ad on the right. Okay, Banana Republic. TikTok, okay, TikTok. There's been controversy about that. There's been government attempting to ban on that, and also acquisition because it involves some issues with leaking information to China, to the Chinese Communist government. So, but this one is the users will record, edit, and share short looping 15 or 60-second videos. Okay? And musical overlays, sound effects, visual effects. Okay? Excuse me. It quickly grew and caught the attention of marketers. And because it contains highly sought demographic audience, okay? Longer time spent on the app, as it costs less than other platforms, and attractiveness to influencer marketing. Okay? That's TikTok. Twitter is my favorite. I like Twitter, right? X now. Users send and receive text-based messages up to 280 characters. Okay? They experience challenges in growth, but now I think it's pretty steady, and it's actually gaining customers as others like Facebook is losing customers. Okay? It's very useful for direct communication with customers, using words, images, and customer engagement to promote the brands, reaching specific geographic markets, okay, responding to customer complaints and or inquiries. That's Twitter or X. Okay? This is an example of a hostess run this on Twitter, and to celebrate the start of a baseball season and with this mixed sport message, it gained added attention. Okay, touchdown. Okay. Instagram. Many of you probably are using Instagram. It's very popular in younger demographic segments, and Instagram stories account for much of platform's success. Visual content allows companies to increase exposure, showcase products in a creative way, establish visual brand identity, and more. Many marketers feel Instagram is the most engaging of all social networks. Do you feel the same way? Do you think Instagram is the most engaging? Okay. This is an example of Instagram. The Instagram platform allows for an attractive option for marketing products. ECCO is considered one of the most successful users of Instagram, like this ad shows. Okay? I'm not very familiar with this brand, but maybe you are. Okay. How brands use Instagram? Okay. I'll give you an example here. Nike. Okay. It's most followed brand on the. It is the most followed brand on Instagram. And Nike keep it simple. Okay. Keep it simple. Okay. Reebok. Reebok taking a different approach from Nike. Yeah. They have Reebok Woman inspires women to be better, stronger, and more determined. They use a visual content to focus on the effort, action, and sweat with emphasis on action images and da da da. Okay. Chanel, keeping it plain and simple like Nike. The product is always front and center. Okay. Like Giselle Bundchen talking about her makeup secrets. Staples, attention-getting, vivid colors, etc. Saks Fifth Avenue, with the like to buy platform, the Saks posts are shoppable, very shoppable. Okay. Snapchat. Some of you may be using Snapchat. Originally developed as an app with the disappearing pictures. Right? But now it's a mix of private messaging and public content, including brand networks, publications, live events, and appealing to younger audience. Okay, younger audience. Many advertisers have stopped using Snapchat to reach audiences for some reason. Okay? Pinterest is a pinboard style photo sharing site. Okay? Users create and manage theme-based image collections. Okay? It's most attractive to younger females. Younger females appeal to a variety of advertisers targeting younger females on Pinterest. Pinterest is different from other social media sites in that their users have a direct line to consumers. A number of companies like Toyota have found Pinterest to be useful in their IMC programs. This promotion is for the 2023 Toyota Camry and encourage consumers to elevate your everyday. Elevate your everyday, the all new Camry, Toyota Camry. Okay. LinkedIn. Yeah. This is basically a social network for business professionals. I encourage you guys, all of you, to join LinkedIn even now. Okay. I have a LinkedIn account. If you search Frank Tian Shay, my full name, you'll see my LinkedIn page. You can follow me, please. I'll follow you. You please identify yourself as my student. We would love to hear from you, even after your graduation. And we want to hear about your professional development and growth in your career and your future success. Share with us. Okay, share with the professor. So it's a social network. It's good for you to find jobs, to build your resume, build your professional image, everything. Okay? There are over 810 million members. That's a lot of people. 800 million. 810 million people. There are only like 320 million people in the US. So you can imagine that's a lot of people worldwide. Okay? It offers marketers the opportunity to connect to customers with a specific interest related to their brand. Okay? LinkedIn. YouTube. I'm sure many of you use YouTube, right? YouTube hosts content for information and entertainment. Users upload and share the videos. I do that too. Okay? I do that on YouTube and on Genjin World as well. It's used by marketers as advertising medium or a search platform. YouTube stars and the vloggers, video bloggers are competing for advertising dollars. Okay? There's potential for exposure, biggest attraction for marketers. Potential exposure, biggest attraction for marketers. Okay? YouTube. This is potential for exposure on YouTube is one of the major attractions for marketers, like this one, Rachel Levin, beauty vlogger, sometimes referred to as YouTube's cover girl. Okay, cover girl has had her anti-smoking commercial. It's a trap viewed over 6.5 million times, and that's quite impressive. Podcasting, use internet to distribute audio video files for downloading, and also there's ads for sponsorships. Blogs, web-based publication consisting primarily of periodic articles. Okay? Writings of individual, community, political organization, or corporations can also be there. Reach large or target audience at a small cost through banner ads, pay-per-click ads, and or become an affiliate. That's blogs. Okay? Other Web 2.0 media forms like virtual and augmented reality. Okay, this could be your test. Okay, virtual reality or augmented reality. Right, there's a rapid growth in past few years. Thousands of AR apps is out there. Okay, virtual reality not as successful as augmented reality, VR, also AR. Okay, so the difference between AR versus VR: AR uses a real-world setting. It's called augmented reality. VR is completely virtual. Okay, virtual reality. Okay? QR codes. There's a machine-readable optical labels. Okay, those QR code, you're familiar with the square QR code. Okay? Barcodes. There's just some bars or stripes. Okay, using ads that direct consumers to information. It's common in print ads. It's becoming more popular in TV ads as well. Okay? You just use your cell phone to scan it. Okay, you can download it and open the website. Okay, QR code. Sales promotion on the internet. You can tie promotion to websites and other forms of digital media. Okay? You can print online coupons. Again, you can have trivia games, contests. Right? Companies often tie in their sales promotion to their websites and the social media. This picture here, Ghirardelli chocolate commonly runs ad promotions like this one on this website. Okay, I'm sure you probably had this chocolate, from time to time. Okay? Personal selling on the internet. Internet can be used as a tool for personal selling. The disadvantage is that the people have fear that it will take away the job opportunities, right? But the advantage of personal selling on the internet, the website will enhance and support the selling effort. It can stimulate trial and can improve one-on-one relationship between customers and sellers if it's used well. Okay, well used. Personal selling. PR on the internet. Website provides information about the company, its philanthropic activities, and annual reports. Philanthropic and nonprofit organizations use the internet to generate funds for fundraising. Okay, PR on the internet. Chrysler uses its website for PR purposes, as seen in this promotion, for its Drive for the Kids School fundraiser. Okay, Drive for the fundraiser can go, right? Has this kangaroo logo there. Okay. Direct marketing on the internet. Yeah, you can use of direct marketing tools for communications, objectives, and e-commerce. Okay? Many direct marketing tools have been adapted for the internet. Okay? Mobile marketing, mobile phones, mobile devices. There is a rapid adoption of smartphones and tablets, and you probably experienced it as firsthand. It's receiving strong attention from marketers. Marketers are looking at that. It has a significant impact on companies' IMC programs. And the mobile smart devices, tablets, led to increase in search behavior, online purchasing, and TV viewing. Okay. I don't know about you guys. I use a cell phone, and sometimes I use my laptop, my tablet also. Okay, my iPad. Okay. Can reach potential consumers at almost any time and any place. Okay. That's mobile devices. The role of mobiles in the IMC process, mobile integrated with other media, right? It's very effective for the automobile industry. It's good for very effective for mobile search. Okay, it's effective for mobile coupons, sponsorship of data costs, messages, and native ads, etc. Okay? But there are disadvantages of mobile. Okay, there is creative challenge because of a small screen. It's very limiting. Okay, time, viewers are on the move. Most of the time, oftentimes. Sharing, 99% of mobile devices users do not share what they see. They don't want to share. Okay, irritation and privacy issues. As more ads are sent to smartphones and other mobile devices, consumers likely to become irritated. They are irritated, right? They don't like it, they hate it. Okay? That's why they don't share that. Okay? Social media management tools. Okay? Companies provide management services for small, medium, and large corporations. Okay? I think I skipped that. I can't go back with this one. But anyway, there's some measurement issues. Internet metrics, okay, audience measures, and measures of effectiveness. Okay. There is IAB guidelines the marketers follow. Okay. There are some internet-specific measures, like measures commercial effectiveness in real time. Like there's a Facebook Analytics, Google Analytics, Fidica or Twitter X measurement available. Okay. This is an example of Google Analytics output. Okay, Google Analytics output of this company abcnet.com. Okay, this is illustration purposes. You can show you the users, sessions, page views, bounce rate, page views, new sessions, time on the site, how much time they spend on time, what kind of devices is accessed, like a desktop, 51%, mobile 34%, tablet 21%, and the geographical location of people. You can see on this one, mostly in North America, US and Canada. Some in, I think it's what country is that? Colombia or anyway, no. Okay, this is Google Analytics. Yeah. Audience measures and measures. Traditional measures of audience and effectiveness are recall and retention. Okay, recall, how much you can recall. Surveys, sales numbers, tracking numbers, right? And return on investment numbers. These are all traditional measures. Okay. These are the traditional digital marketing metrics measures, like measure one is overall website traffic, okay? Traffic by source, okay? New visitors, returning visitors, sessions, how many sessions, average session duration, time spent, page views, most visited pages, exit rate, bounce rate, conversion rate, the converting to a buyer, okay? Impressions on people have seen it, have been exposed to that, social reach, social engagement, email open rate, okay? Email click-through rate, cost per click, cost per conversation, cost per acquisition, overall ROI. These are the digital marketing metrics, measurement, right? Measures, okay? That's all I have for this chapter. Okay, I will thank you. I will see you next time.